If you want to update LibreOffice, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to check for updates inside LibreOffice itself, and if that option isn't available, I'll show you the manual method from the official website. This is a simple process, but it's a really important one because keeping LibreOffice updated helps improve performance, adds new features, and can fix bugs or compatibility issues. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. You can launch any part of the suite, like Writer, Calc, or Impress, because the update option is usually available from the main menu. Once LibreOffice is open, look at the top menu bar and click Help. This is where you'll find support options, version details, and sometimes the built-in update checker. From the Help menu, look for Check for Updates. If you see that option, click it. LibreOffice will then check whether a newer version is available. If an update is found, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may be prompted to download the update, open a browser window, or confirm the version you want to install. Just take your time and follow each step as it appears. If LibreOffice tells you that your version is already up to date, then you're done. But if it finds a newer version, continue with the download instructions until the process is complete. In many cases, this is the fastest and easiest way to update LibreOffice without needing to search manually. Now, if you do not see the Check for Updates option in the Help menu, don't worry. That just means you will need to update LibreOffice manually. This is still very easy and it only takes a few minutes. Open your web browser and go to the official LibreOffice website. Make sure you use the official site so you're downloading the correct and safest version. Once the website loads, look for the download section and get the latest LibreOffice installer for your operating system. After the download finishes, open the installer file. If your computer asks for permission, click yes or allow so the setup can run. Then follow the on-screen installation steps. In most cases, the installer will detect your existing LibreOffice installation and update it automatically, so you do not need to remove the old version first. Just continue through the setup prompts, accept any required terms, and let the installation finish. Depending on your computer, this may take a short moment. Once it's done, open LibreOffice again, and you should now be running the latest available version. And that's it. You've successfully updated LibreOffice either through the built-in update option or by installing the newest version from the official website. Keeping your software updated is always a smart habit, especially if you use it for school, work, or important documents. If this video helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.